Ministry of Labour and Social Security says nearly 150 air and ground drops have delivered supplies to western parishes since Hurricane Melissa.
Now, almost 60,000 food packages have also been delivered, and relief efforts continue to advance.
Now, the ministry updated the country today during a disaster response press conference.
Ramada Lyons has details.
Throughout communities in hard-hit parishes, this has become a repeated chorus.
Just water we want food, everything you want. So far we are so far.
There are many different lanes in the district. So sometimes we in the far back we don't get any assistance.
No MP, I do one of them a help out we know. On the road say now we have to give thanks to them, you know. But if I never them, we don't get no package.
And while the cries seem to be getting louder, the Ministry of Labour and Social Security insists that the National Relief and Recovery Coordination has been active. As at November 19, there have been at least 138 air and ground drops to communities that were inaccessible. Over 59,000 food packages have also been delivered.
This figure does not account for the entirety of all packages that have been dispatched. We have thousands more of packages that have been delivered, but perhaps not within the remit of our strict account in terms of the formalities. And let me also indicate that when we do our airdrops, the packages, for instance, that come from World Food Programme are usually packages that account for feeding of a family of 3 for 1 week.
23 days after Hurricane Melissa left many Jamaicans living in uncertainty, Mr. Charles Jr. says there's now, quote, a much more synchronized and strategic approach. This approach
will see us having a schedule based on demand, based on the scheduling reporting, based on assessments on the ground, based on collaboration with our partners that will allow for us to be much more calculated. So you will see the figures fluctuating. Don't be despaired. That's based on what information we're receiving on the ground, and we're ensuring that where there is need, we can move swiftly to attend to that need.
The Social Security Minister also rubbished what he described as incorrect assumptions regarding what's included in food packages.
The food packages are containing protein sources including canned meat, fish and beans, as well as powdered milk. They also contain canned vegetables, staples such as rice, flour, cornmeal and crackers, as well as essential condiments such as oil and sugar.
This video was uploaded to TikTok by a recipient.
Look at all of this. And when people come on the media and them say, boy, them not get nothing in a package. A foolishness. This look like foolishness to you?
Now the focus hasn't been just food.
We continue to provide hygiene kits, tarpaulins, blankets, mattresses, bottled water, solar lanterns, cleaning agents, tabletop stoves.
At the same time, there are concerns like this from residents in St. Elizabeth because of a lack of tools for cleaning.
Yeah, right, bite them up, see there? Right, bite them up. This is covered in so I look flooded in this, right bite up.
In the meantime, Mr. Charles Jr. says there have been household damage assessments which seek to identify the loss of productive assets and the vulnerability and the needs of affected families.
Our teams conduct door-to-door household assessments, so it does take time. And that is why we are expanding the team.
Ramada Lyons, TVJ News.